Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can convert a PowerPoint presentation into PDF file, and we'll be doing that by just following the few simple processes that I'm going to show you in this video. So please do make sure that you finish watching this video. Let us open first our Microsoft PowerPoint. So I will search here PowerPoint. And under best match, I have here the PowerPoint application. So please click on that to open. And let me just choose a presentation. For example, this one, and then click on create. It's now downloading my template. Now here, for example, this is I'm done with making my presentation, and I want to convert this presentation into PDF. All I can do is just to go to the file option here that you can see in the upper left corner. Please click on that, and here you will be seeing a lot of options. Yeah, new, open, share, info, and save as. So here we will be clicking save as option, and once you do that, you will be you can choose now for the location where you can save your PowerPoint presentation that we can convert in the PDF. So here I will choose the other location, that is this PC, and I will choose desktop. And once you do that, another window will be coming up on our screen. Here we can give a file name for the file. For example, I have test or PPT test. And to convert this PowerPoint presentation into PDF form, all you need to do is just to click this save as type. You have this drop down button here, so just click this one, and you will now be able to see all the options that you can turn this or convert this file into such option. For example, I have here PDF, XPS document, PowerPoint template, Office theme, PowerPoint show. So you can choose whatever option that you want to choose, but we will go with PDF first. So once you click on PDF, you will now be able to see here standard all the options here, so just leave them be, and then you can now proceed on clicking save. And once you do that, you will be seeing this presentation in your desktop. Okay, so it will directly open your presentation. So let me just minimize this one. Let me just close this one. And as you can see, I have here now the PDF form or the PDF file of my PowerPoint presentation. And once you open that, it will open in your browser that you assigned or that you set default to open PDF files. Okay, so that's it. That's a very short video, and I hope you learned something from it. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.